Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is your mathematics tutorial for class 1. Today the day is Thursday and the date is 28th of January 2021. The topic is multiplication and we will focus on adding equal groups. Let's have some previous knowledge questions. Do you know what is multiplication and what is the sign of multiplication? Can you tell me that two groups of 3 ketchup bottles makes how many bottles in total? Each group has 3 ketchup bottles and there are 2 groups. So how many bottles we have in total? By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to link multiplication with repeated addition. Let's revise the concept of multiplication. Multiplication means repeated addition. For example, if I and my 3 friends are making a project and we need some books from the library, and every person can be allotted only 2 books, so I need to know that how many books we can issue from the library for our project altogether. I will add 2 books 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that makes 8, or 4 times 2 makes 8. So multiplication is repeated addition. Alternate names for multiplication is altogether, product, in all, times, or multiply, etc. Today's classwork is you have to do question number 1 and 3 part A, B on textbook page number 149, 150 in your notebooks. Let's have some revision of previous yesterday work. Here we are adding equal groups. We have some groups of bananas. Let's count how many groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups of bananas and every group have equal number of bananas, that is 2. So we will add it like this: 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. That makes how much? Yes, it makes 10. Now I will like you to add this group of bottles. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many bottles are there in every group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are equal groups because every group has 5 bottles. So add 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. How much we get? Excellent. We get 20. Very good. Now look at page number 149. We have done this yesterday, that here are 3 groups of hats. And every group have how many hats? 4. So you have to add 4 3 times, or you can also add 3 4 times. That makes 12 hats. Look at page number 150. We have done this also yesterday. I will do part B with you to revise. Look, this array in part B, how many columns it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can write it 8. And how many rows it has? 1, 2, 3. You can write it 8 by 3, or you can also write the rows first and the columns after, that is 3 by 8. Now open your notebooks, prepare the page like I have done. Do not forget to write the textbook page number here in the right topmost block in the margin line. Write classwork with capital C and capital W. Rest of the letters are small. Write the date Thursday with capital T and write the date in the proper format, that is 28 Jan, 2021, full stop. Now write the topic with capital M, multiplication. Then leave one line and write the focus with the first letter capital, adding A capital, equal E capital and group G capital. Now write the question, fill in the missing number by counting in equal groups. Here question number 1, leave one line gap and write question number 1. Here I have made some stars, 4 stars in 3 lines. This is same to the question 1 on page number 149, but there are heads, so I made here stars. Then leave one line and write there are, make a block, groups, full stop. Leave one more line and write each group has, make a block, stars, full stop. Then make a block, in the other block write plus, then make another block, then write plus, and then make another block is equal to. Now you will make 2 blocks for the answer. Write the missing numbers. Okay, first count how many groups we have. Write in the first block, then see how many stars are in each group. These are equal groups, so same stars are there right here. Then add these stars 3 times and write the answer here. My work is not completed, so I utilize next page. You can also use the next page, but only write classwork here with capital C and capital W. Rest of the letters are small. Write question number 2, write 2 arrays. Here part A, you will make 6 lines block with 6 rows and 2 columns and make small circles in that to make one array. Then leave one line and make a block, write by, make another block. Then in a next line write or and leave one line and write block, by, again make a block. You have to write here the answer like we have revised in yesterday work also. Then I have utilized one more page for question number C. Here I have make 4 rows and 5 columns of array. Make the block like me, like this, and then make small circles in that. 5 circles in each block, in each line, and there are 4 lines or 4 rows. Similarly, write it like this. Do not forget to give one line space in between all of them, these lines. This is the end of your textbook and class notebook work. Write the missing numbers by yourself. Your homework is to practice page 150 of the textbook. Thank you class. Have a nice day.